The Slim Splits Method. Simple stretching routine for a stronger, slimmer body in just 10 weeks. Proven method backed by 50,237 women around the world. We alternate and evolve through 3 key formats, each week building on the last. Activate your body, boost mobility, and prep your muscles with functional movement and light activation drills different every time. Lengthen, soften, and open up specific muscle groups from hips to hamstrings to shoulders. Each stretch class is unique and theme-based. Flow-based sessions to integrate flexibility, balance, and toning in one fluid workout. Expect deep engagement, grace, and strength building. OLHA. OLEX. Is. A. Certified. Flexibility. Mobility. Coach. With. A. Passion. For. Helping. Women. Reconnect. With. Their. Bodies. Through. Movement. She. Is. Also. The. Founder. Of. Ally. Move. A. Movement. Based. Wellness. Brand. Empowering. Women. To. Stretch. With. Purpose. And. Live. With. Confidence. She. Specializes. In. Body weight. Training. Joint. Health. And. Sustainable. Stretching. That. Fits. Into. Real. Life. No. Gym. No. Overwhelm. No. Pressure. OLHA. Works. With. Complete. Beginners. Busy. Professionals. And. Active. Women. Who. Want. To. Feel. Stronger. More. Open. And. Confident. All. From. The. Comfort. Of. Home. Or. Even. While. Traveling. Her. Signature. Program. The. Slim. Splits. Method trademark. Blends. Dynamic. Mobility. Controlled. Flexibility. Practical. Recovery. Techniques. To. Help. You. Unlock. Your. Full. Potential. With. Under. In. Our. Sessions. You. Can. Fit. Into. Even. The. Busiest. Day. Over. The. Years. OLHA. Has. Guided. Thousands. Of. Women. Through. Online. Challenges. Personal. Coaching. And. Daily. Wellness. Rituals. Designed. To. Build. Strength. Softness. And. Self. Trust. 1. Stretch. At. A. Time. Real. Results. Don't. Come. From. Doing. More. They. Come. From. Doing what works with your body, not against it. Olha Olex, creator of the Slim Splits Method trademark. Thousands of women transformed. Your next. I was skeptical at first. I didn't think an online, flexible, and I actually enjoy moving again. This course reminded me how good it feels to be in flow with your own body. I signed up mainly to lose weight, but ended up gaining so much more. I feel slimmer, more toned, and more in control of how I move. I honestly didn't expect such a visible change. I combined this flexibility course with gym training and lost 13 kilograms. It's been a total transformation. I move better, feel stronger, and my posture has improved a lot. Are you ready to claim your bonus pro session nutrition ebook? After ordering the Slim Splits Method Registered, you'll be instantly emailed your access details in an email from our payment processor ClickBank Incorporated. Try searching for ClickBank in your inbox, possibly also spam and junk folders. Unfortunately, sometimes these emails end up in spam and there is nothing we can do about it. If you don't find it, please fill up the form above and we'll be happy to help you regain access. Yes, it is. We do not charge monthly for the Slim Splits Method Registered. It's a one-time only fee plus sales tax, if applicable in your state. Exchange rates and local taxes may apply if you live outside US. There are no other hidden costs or fees. It's all online videos you can watch, replay and follow on any device using browser. You can also cast it to your smart TV. You get 10-week access to the entire The Slim Splits Method Registered program. Yes, absolutely. The Slim Splits Method Registered program is accessible from any place worldwide. Do I need to have any experience or preparation? Not at all. This course is beginner-friendly and perfect even if you've never done stretching before. Will I be able to do the splits by the end of the course? If you follow the program consistently, you'll definitely notice real progress. Many students reach their splits in 3 to 10 weeks, especially with average mobility and no injuries. Can stretching really help me lose weight? Yes. The course includes active mobility work, dynamic stretching, and consistent movement, all of which support fat loss when paired with balanced nutrition. Each session takes around 25 to 40 minutes, depending on the day. Light days include just mobility and warm-up, while full sessions include stretching work as well. No worries. The course is flexible, you can adjust it to your own pace. The key is to keep going and stay consistent. Many people feel lighter and more mobile after just 7 to 10 days. You might also notice visible changes in posture, tone, and how your body moves. How long will I have access to the program? The full program is designed to last 2.5 months, with 3 sessions per week. To give you extra space and flexibility, you'll have 3 full months of access from the day you start, so you'll have 2 bonus weeks for travel, rest, or repeating your favorite sessions. What does the course look like, and how do I access it? The course is hosted on a convenient online platform. You'll get your personal login and can train anytime from your phone or computer. Every week, 3 new sessions will unlock, keeping you on track with a smart, sustainable pace that helps you stay motivated, not overwhelmed. No. You only need a yoga mat and 2 yoga blocks. If you don't have blocks, you can easily replace them with sturdy books, firm boxes, or plastic containers with lids. Absolutely. This course works beautifully alongside strength training, yoga, swimming, or dancing, helping your body recover, stretch, and move better. Yes. This program is gentle, safe, and designed for all body types. It's a great starting point to reconnect with your body and build flexibility step by step. ClickBank Registered is Registered trademark of Click Sales Inc. A Delaware Corporation. Located at 1444 S. Entertainment Ave Suite 410 Boise ID 83709 USA and used by permission ClickBank's role as retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of these products or any claim, statement, or opinion used in promotion of these products. This site is not a part of the Facebook trademark website or Meta Trademark Incorporated. Additionally, this site is not endorsed by Facebook Trademark or Meta Trademark in any way. Facebook Trademark is a trademark of Meta Trademark Platforms Incorporated. The information provided on this site and in the Slim Splits Method registered program is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with your physician or other qualified health provider before starting any exercise or stretching program. Individual results may vary. Copyright 2025 The Slim Splits Method. All rights reserved.